Shabi to Sami di Mada, Oni Peki Mada. Asabi say now you be Madam, Oni Peki Mada. I am off Concon, my throat to Balu Concon. I am off Concon, so my throat to Balu Concon.
My son, Pastor, I can see it in the realm of the spirit. You have a very bright future, but there is a woman sitting on your destiny.
The woman get big yash.
Yes.
Pastor, if I no cast her mouth.
Hey!